Got a great project today. Something came out of the blue. It's almost the 1st of August, and our local fairgrounds has asked us to come remove a couple of stumps that they have on the property. It's in the vendor area, they're in the way, and they need to be gone. And let's face it, there's nothing more American than the all-American tradition of the county fair. Each year in August, September, there's concerts, there's food, there's carnival rides, animals. It's county fair. How could I say no? It's a great opportunity for me to show you how to use a stump grinder to easily remove a stump that might be in your own yard at home. Come for a ride and let's check it out.
The fairground staff mapped out the underground power lines for us so that we would be safe grinding the stumps and roots down 2 to 3 inches below the surface. Grinding a stump is very simple, and while a machine like a stump grinder can be very intimidating, they are really very safe and easy to use, and available for a very reasonable daily fee at most rental centers. Once you get the grinder wheel down and the green teeth up to full speed, lower the wheel down and take an inch off the top of the stump on your first pass, then lower another inch and wipe back across the stump the other direction. Going back and forth, slowly lowering the wheel and the teeth until you get to the ground level and the stump is gone.
If you're enjoying this video, please click like and subscribe to see more of Build It Better DIY. So what I've done is I've ground 99% of this down, but I had so much material, so much wood material on top that I couldn't see what was left. So grabbed the rake, pulled it all back around in a circle, and I could see that I got a little bit of the front of the stump left to do. I got a pretty good little ridge in the middle, and then around the back side, there's quite a bit of wood left, but most of it's gonna be maybe 2-3 inches of grinding at most. I've got about 5 minutes left there. Then I've got 2 roots that are above ground. One goes there and one goes here. That I saw before I started grinding. I'm gonna take those out. Once I'm done with those, I can move on to stump number 2, but we're almost done with this one. If you're enjoying this video, please click like and subscribe to see more of Build It Better DIY.
Once the material is raked away and you can see what's left of the stump, resume grinding until you're 2 to 6 inches below the surface and all of the stump and roots are gone.
All right, we're up here at stump number 2. Now, the first thing you always do when you pull up to a stump, do a site assessment. Look for rocks. I don't see any rocks around this stump. I'm gonna see where the other, like above ground root systems go. There's a good one going that way that I'm gonna have to address. I don't really see any others. It looks like another really firm old stump that's not gonna be rotten in the middle. I'm looking for underground power. I've got a pole right there with nothing underground coming out of it. I think all of that power is fed from that pole right there, and it's gonna run out in T. So I should be clear of any power. Not that I'm gonna go that deep, but I'm gonna look anyway. I'm always gonna be aware, but this looks like a pretty straightforward stump. I'm gonna get to work on it. If you're enjoying this video, please click like and subscribe to see more of Build It Better DIY.
Professional tree services offer stump removal, which can be expensive, especially if you have multiple stumps to grind. But by renting a stump grinder for a half or even a full day, you can save yourself hundreds, if not thousands of dollars by doing it yourself.
Oh yeah. That stump is gone, like it was never there. Just wiped it away, back and forth, back and forth. I've said it 100 times, a lot of this equipment's just fun. It's like toys for big boys and girls. It's super easy. Now we can backfill the hole with all this mulch. Let the fairgrounds groundskeeper come back and he'll probably do something with all of this. But 2 stumps removed. Time for fair. If you've enjoyed this video, please hit like and subscribe to see more of Build It Better DIY.